brushing her teeth. Oh, the roses.
I'll also a card for you.
Oh.
Happy birthday, Mama.
Thank you, buddy. I love you.
Don't look at it, close your eyes.
So cute.
No, don't open your eyes.
Oh.
Here you go.
Whoa! Did you write your name all by yourself?
in the background.
Happy birthday, Mama.
Thank you.
That's her.
No, it's not. Yes. I love you.
It has big clouds and she's stuck to the clouds.
Am I like dreaming of shoes or is it raining shoes?
Dreaming.
It's raining shoes?
No, dreaming.
I'm dreaming. Oh, I see. Really, really cute.
Does that say dreaming?
Can I see the front? On your birthday, may all your wishes come true. I think it does mean dreaming.
In the clouds. He's stuck in the clouds.
I love them. Thank you so much. Who wants to get me a cup of coffee?
Me.
Okay, let's go.
What do you think of those shoes with that dress? Don't they go cute with it? Very cute.
Hey, Dad, give her your present. Dad, give her your present.
Do you want to give her a present now?
But let's let her sit down and have her coffee.
That's a good idea, Mimi.
Presents.
Mom, sit down.
Gosh, you guys are busy this morning.
Yeah.
Toodles.
For me?
Toodles.